Hey guys, it's Will's Lawn Service here. Today I will be showing you how to tune up or just do a quick check of your riding tractor. I have this Scott's by John Deere. I think this can basically work for any tractor. First of all, what you're going to want to do is make sure you have your parking brake on. So, turn it on. Alright, my parking brake is on. And even if you have this, and you're gonna, so it won't roll anywhere, make sure it's pushed in, not pulled out. And make sure your blades, or your deck, is at its lowest position. Okay. Make sure your deck is at its lowest position. And I've found in a video, you always, here's the first part of the checkup, or tune-up. Your deck wheels should never touch the ground. They should be even with the bottom of your deck. See. So, that's the first part of the checkup. Make sure your clutch works. Second part of the checkup is your battery. Mine is under my seat. Some lawn tractors have them right where my gas tank is. But a good way to check your battery is using a battery charger, like, let's go in the garage for a minute. This battery charger, Die-Hard battery charger. So that would be a good way to check your battery. Alright, and the next part of business is doing all of the stuff with the engine. And I know my battery works fine because if it starts it, so it's fine. The next part of business is your engine. So lift it up. Some of these, they can be removed if you twist them. That and that piece right there. This piece is connected to that, but that rod is to the mower body and you can remove it. That doesn't have anything. So I'm gonna remove that piece, or the hood. Okay. Now your hood is removed. Some of them can't be removed. And this connects to the lights. So you want to unplug your cable here. Hang on. Okay. And set this aside. Okay. First, alright, for the things you're going to need for this part are a ratchet with a spark plug thing. They make them especially for spark plugs. My lawn tractor uses a 5/8 inch. Some of them may be bigger. And a paper towel. The tire gauge is for checking the tires later. So first of all, you want to check your air filter. So unscrew your top. Eventually you should be able to lift it back right off. My air filter is pretty clean. I I guess you can just hose it off if it's not. Oh, wait, no. Shoot. See, it's pretty clean. Some of them have these foam things that protect the air filter. Not gonna unscrew that. So yeah, and make sure if you are gonna wash it down with water, make sure it's completely dry so you don't get any water in your carburetor. Make sure you don't get any water in that, which is your carburetor, because your air filter connects to your carburetor. Alright, so you can go ahead and put your air filter cover back on. Make sure it's on nice and tight. Okay. Next part, you're going to want to check your oil. So make sure that's loose. Let me get my paper towel. Okay. Take your oil dipstick out. As you're taking it out, run it over the paper towel like so. So there's nothing left on the dipstick. Drop it in there. Screw it on. Unscrew it. And mine is where it should be. And it's got clean oil in it. You want to run your mower for about a minute before you clean your oil. And make sure you don't get any in your engine area. Alright, I know you probably are going to want to check your gas filter and your oil filter, but I'm not going to do that. But yes, that would be a considerable thing to do. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is check your gas. Okay. Pretty clean. Make sure nothing is in it. If it looks, I don't know how you can tell if it's got water in it, but if it does have water in it, then you want to drain your gas so that it won't screw up your carburetor. And yeah, so next thing you're going to want to do is check your tire pressure after you put your hood back on. Alright, so now I've got the hood back on. Alright, now you're going to want to check your tire pressure, so make sure you have a tire gauge. And your tire pressure should be somewhere on your tire. This one is a 14 PSI tire. So, I don't have a cap for this, so all you really have to do is make sure that the right PSI, that one's good. I don't have a tire to screw it back on. And my back tire is a 10 PSI. I don't know why that one would be more PSI than this one. And unscrew your cap. Looks pretty good. And now to check the other tires. Alright, so I got the other tires done, and they look pretty good. Now, you're going to want to make sure all your parts work, everything, the blade and everything. Mine work, because I just ran it earlier. And so, forward and everything. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.